Welcome back, my lovely people, from your break. I hope you enjoyed the break very well. Mommy gave you so many things. You didn't give Auntie one, but I want us to do this very last lesson. Then we go. Today on OWOP, we have what? Plants. OWOP is our last lesson, and the topic is plants. So we can see a beautiful plant drawn over here. We are just going to talk a little about this, and we are going to step out with a camera to see a lot of what we are talking about. Now, when we say plant, what is plant? As we were learning from the previous things, plant is what? A living thing. I told you plant is a living thing, and therefore plants need water and air to live. The plant, it grows, it bears fruit like you are seeing, and then it what? Dies off. So we can see the plants beautifully drawn on the board. Now we are looking at the three main parts of what? Of the plant. We want to again look at the parts of the plant. Now down here we can see what? Roots. This part of the plant is not seen. It is always inside the ground, under the ground. We can't see it, but it is called what? The roots. Now, the one you are seeing there, the stick you are seeing long like that, is the stem. That's the name. So, stem. And the root is root. And now the green things we are seeing are the what? The leaves. They are the what? The leaves. It's a leaf, as we can see. So, when we talk about plants, this is what we mean. I'm going to step out to show you a mango plant or a mango tree, and we are going to take their parts to that place for us to see. So as we hold on, okay, so we've come out. You can see Auntie under a mango tree. You can see the mango tree in the school. Yep. So let's observe the mango tree very well. And now let's look at the stem. So when I was talking about the stem, this is what I meant. The hard part of the plant is the what? Is the stem. And the root, that one is under the ground. We cannot see it. We cannot see the ground has covered the root. But here is the case. This is the stem, the hard part of it. This is the stem. Is the hard part of it. And then those are the leaves. These are the leaves. As you can see, Auntie holding it. These are the leaves of the plant. This is a mango tree. This is a mango tree. So I want us to study it carefully and see the hard part of the plant and then down to the root. So when we talk about the plant, that is what we saw. We went out to see. We have other sketches of trees here. As you can see, we have the leaves, the stem, and the roots are under the ground. We cannot see it. We have so many types of trees here. Again, we have a bigger one over here. We have a bigger one beautifully drawn over here. And this is the stem, the hard part of it. The green part of it is the leaf. The green part is the leaf, and the brown part is the stem. Now, the root is under the ground where we cannot see unless we dig before we can see. So when we talk about trees, that is what we mean. The root, this part of it, when we went out, we couldn't see it. But tomorrow I promise to bring a plant where we'll be seeing the roots tomorrow. So, how do we call it? Because of network which is disturbing us. That is why we have to do it here and then be saying to you. When we talk about parts of a plant, this is it. A plant is a living thing, just as a human being is a living thing. A plant is a living thing. A tree, the same as plant, is a living thing. They need water, air to grow. As we have learned water, we've learned air. These are the parts. So we have the root, and we have the fruit. That is the red one here, the fruit. And here we have the stem. That is, I told you, the hard part of the plant is the what? Is the stem. And then we have the leaf, the green part of it. As we saw in the bigger one, we have the green part of it. Okay, so due to network problem, we have to use the WhatsApp auditorium to get WhatsApp podium to get the video and the lesson. I promise tomorrow it will be better so that we have a clear view of whatever we are learning. Thank you for joining me for the work class. Bye for now.